everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I've got some cards I want to share with you. These are really kind of simple, quick cards that you can put together, and I just thought I'd pop on and do a quick video. So the papers I used was this, and it's Cherry Blossoms by Do Crafts. I think I got it in like a kit or something in the range. So yeah, they're the papers I used. And I'm going to quickly share this card with you. So this is really simple card. I didn't put any pattern papers on the background because I had these like little polka dots, and my sweet friend Sue, who is sweet, she's Sue Kitten 1 here on YouTube, and she sent me this pocket letter, and as you can see, I have been using it also. Yeah, I've got another project to share of the other bits that I've used in here, but she put loads of different goodies in here. And my goal this year, well, one of my goals this year, is to use up my stash. So to, yeah, utilize what I have and use up what I've got, sort of thing. So yeah, so obviously I've been using all the bits from here. So she sent me these, as you can see here, these like little polka dots. I guess these are for like sort of planners, I think. I've got a sticker sheet here, and they have them in. These were, again, I think were for the range. And they got loads of stickers and things. And they have those, like, those sort of things in here. So yeah, I think they're from this sort of set. And there's the same, I think they do quite a few different ones in the range with different stickers and stuff in different colours and what have you. So again, great to sort of embellish and things. So yeah, so I used the polka dots. I think the yellow ones were mine, but the other colours were what Sue sent me. These flower leaf stickers again were from those packs, and the same as this sentiment. I just backed that with some paper, stuck that sticker on, and I thought it was quite a sweet card to have on hand just to send out. If you're sending happy mail, I put one of the hearts again. Sue sent this, the pocket letter, and I just put that inside. Yeah, just a quick card to have on hand to send out, and in happy mail and things like that. So that's that one. And then the second one is this one. Again, use the patterned papers from that collection, polka dots again, and then I had this already sentiment already comes like this, all popped up and that, and layered on this graphic silver shiny paper, and that was from, I think that was from Home Bargains, but I'm not 100%. I think it was Home Bargains. They came in a set of different sentiments, and that's it, guys. I've just thought, again, that's quite a quick, sweet card just to have on hand. And that's it, guys. I know, quick video, but I just thought I'd pop on and share that idea with you. I'd like to thank you all for watching, and have an awesome week, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.